Hello, my friends. I am here with my friend Janet. How are you doing, Janet?
Hey, good to see you.
So we have an interesting request from a customer that is that we want to bring different data that is not in ClickFunnels. So let me just show you something here. Um, the company is not a field that is natively built into the CRM right now, but we can track it because we can create a field, and they ask us to track two different fields. Correct, Janet? We need a company and
hmm
calendar link, because in this case, they track that and they have a bunch of people automatically share their link. So what do we do? Let me just go back to the main page. And when you come into your ClickFunnels page, you're going to go into Workspace right here on the bottom. So you can find contact attributes. When you go into contact attributes, you can create any other attribute that you want. So I'm going to add here calendar underscore. I'm going to make it simple, calendar link. So in that way, when I had to search it, the type of field is a text, because in that case, I'm just typing value. I'm not selecting from a dropdown or anything like that. Can create a field. Now I have these two fields in here. So what do I need to do? I need to create some fake data so I can import it and have it in there. So let's go into our favorite tool to do this type of work. Let's go into Chatty. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT, I need to create some data to test an import function. Please. Yeah, you need to be nice. So in case that rise of the chat, it will help you create 10 customer data set in a CSV format. Use this table format. Name, no, first name, last name, email, company. Then we said that we wanted to create a calendar link. Phone. What else we want to generate there?
I think that's a good start.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's see what we get. Okay. We have customer data. So let's save. Okay. Now that we have the data, let's open the data so we can see it. Okay, perfect. So we have first name, last name, email, company name, link, and phone number. Perfect. Okay. So now all that we had to do, we now need to save it the way it is. Okay. Let's go into ClickFunnels. And now all that we had to do is import this data. So let's go into customers, contacts. We're going to go into actions, imports. There you go. Now we're going to click no import, CSV import, and we're going to pick our file, customer data, and we need to create a new mapping because we haven't done an import with all those fields. And now I have the columns that are in the file. And if you remember, by default, company and calendar link are not fields in ClickFunnels. But then what we could do is that we can add, you see default fields, custom fields, company, last name, first name, and let's see, calendar link. Continue. You're gonna import all the fields. Yes, yes, perform import. And now all that we have to do is just sit and wait. Okay, let's go into contacts. And now let's check. There's a company, there's a calendar link. There you have it, my friends, how you can import additional data that may not natively be on your ClickFunnels CRM. So Janet, there we have it. We did it.
Thank you very much. I love it.
My friends, we'll see you on our next video.